Hey friends, welcome to tutorial 4, Better When I'm Dancin' by Meghan Trainor. This is such a sweet song and I like to use this one as a cool down, so let's get started. We start by going easy, little grapevine step to the right. We go 1, 2, 3 together, step together, back, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the hands are going to be palms out. We're going to take them in a nice circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 across the body, 6, 7, 8, reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face in the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next move has little fists. We step out with the right foot. We go hip and hip. Then step with the left, and the hands come up and up. This is from the sign language, ASL, of inspiration. That's a sign, inspiration. My one favorite sign, so I like to do inspiration up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We just did our other side. 5 here, ta, ta. We fist, hip roll 1, 2, and inspiration up. And again, 1, 2, and up here. Next we do slide, slide, slide. Together, we point, back, and point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have a nice simple turn to the right. Then we have our under the seat arms up and up. Turn it back. Under the seat, up and up. Let's keep going. We take 4 steps up. Up, together, left, together, right, together, left, together. Arm up. We jump out and we rock out 6, 7, 8. To the front. With the turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up, 4, 4. Slide together, slide together, slide together, slide together. Rock, rock, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next to the chorus, nice and easy. We do single, single, double. But we have a little hop. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Arms are opposition, out, opposition, out. Now as the song carries on, the arms can do whatever they like, and you don't have to keep this pattern. You can take it around, you can hand it to the friends, just have fun with it. So let's put all those sections together, facing the front. From the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Cross the body. 5, 6. Again to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lots of opportunity to sing out in the song. Oh, hey, oh. Then we go. Hip, hip. You're the fire. Inspiration. Hip, hip. Again. Up. Side, side. Point. Side, side. Hop, point. Side, side. Point. Here comes that turn. Under the arms. Left and right. Turn it back. Left, 2, 3, 4. 4 slides up together. Out together. Out together. Out together. Out together. Arm, arm, and 5, 6. Single, single, double. 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 That's actually all the choreography for this really cute cool down. Let's dance it.